This question uses the word histogram, so it's about the frequency density formula. So the frequency density is equal to the frequency divided by the class width, and the frequency itself can then be found by doing the frequency density times the class width, which we classically think of as the area of the bar. So those are the concepts. So we see the word histogram, we should be thinking of frequency densities, we should be thinking of frequencies being the area of the bars, then that might allow us to answer the actual question. So this one says, work out the percentage of the passengers who had to wait for more than 1 hour. So in other words, more than 1 hour is more than 60 minutes. So that means we want to work out the area of that one and the area of that one. And because they've given us the frequency densities, which is very nice of them, then the area of this becomes fairly straightforward. It's the width of the bar, which is from 60 to 90, so that's 30. So 30 times, and the height of this, well, again, we work out the scale, so each little square is worth 0.2, so that's going to be 1.8. So 30 times 1.8 is going to be 54. Let's check that. 30 times 1.8, 54. So that's for the 60 to 90 bar. We then got to work out the area of this bar, so the class width is 30 again, and the height of this one is 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, so that's going to give me 18. So when we add those two together, 60, 72. So the answer here will be 72. It talks about the times in minutes. Some passengers had to wait to work out the percentage of the passengers. So it's not just the number of passengers. So again, it's important to read questions again to make sure you're answering what's wanted. So it's work out the percentage. So because we know how many people took longer, we know the fraction is going to be 72 out of something. And then we're going to times that by 100. So we need to work out the total. So we need to work out the area of all the bars. Okay, so this one was 20 and 12, so 20 times 12 is going to be 240. This one was 10 wide times 10.8, so 10 times 10.8 is 108. This one was 15 wide, and it's 7 high. So it's going to be 7 times 15, so that's going to be 105. Again, we're using the idea of area of the bar is equal to the frequency. This one was 15 wide, and it's got a height of 5, so 5 times 15 is 75. Therefore, we can work out the total number of passengers, and that's going to be 240 plus 108 plus 105 plus 75 plus the 72 we've worked out for the actual numbers we needed. So we've got 240 plus 108 plus 105 plus 75 plus 72 equals 600. So that's going to be the number here. So 72 divided by 600 times by 100 is 12. So it's going to be 12% on the answer line. That's we checked, and the question wanted the percentage, not just the total number of passengers. So that's how we can interpret that histogram, by recognising the formulas for frequency density, and the reverse of frequency equals the area of the bar. Work out how many people, how many passengers were in each of the bars by doing the areas of each bars, then do the fraction times the 100 to get the percentage. So just check that again, 72 divided by 600 times by 100, yep, 12%. That's how we can do that histogram question.